Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to change your Fortnite in-game username. So first of all, hop onto the Fortnite epicgames.com website and then look for this icon right here. You want to click on that to sign into your account. Then you have to sign into your account. If you have just created the account, you'll still have to verify your email address, so make sure you check your email, the same email you used for your Fortnite account. Check that email and make sure you verify it so you're able to change your account data. So then hop onto the account section. You'll be sent to this website right here, account settings, and then you can change your Fortnite username right here. You can see your current display name, and then you press on this button right here and you can change your display name. This will only change your display name, so don't worry about losing any of your other stuff. This will only change your display name. You can type in your new name right here, and then you have to accept this right here. You're not able to change your display name for another 2 weeks. You have to accept that, so make sure you don't want to do that for another 2 weeks, and then you hit confirm, and you can see your display name has changed. And this is locked now, so you have to wait 2 weeks until you're able to change your display name again. A little bonus tip, this also works for your email address. So here you can see your current email address, and if you click on this icon right here, same like with the display name, then you are able to change your email address. Here you have to watch out because you won't be able to change your email address for 90 days. So you can change it right here, but then you have to wait 90 days to change it again. Then just hit continue and your email will be changed. Make sure you verify the new email address. Do that by hopping to the email account and checking the email that Epic Games sends you. Thanks for watching. I hope everything worked for you.